नमस्कार, म अम्बिका हाङबाङ अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रममा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत गर्छु। चैत्र 11 गते यता देश लकडाउनमा छ। के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ कुन्नी? आज पनि रेडियोको माध्यमबाट शिक्षा लिन दिने उद्देश्यका साथ उपस्थित भइसकेका छौँ, होइन? विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनी हो, अब रेडियो सेटको नजिक आउनुहोस् है। यो अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रम हरेक दिन यसै समयमा रेडियो तमोर 102 मेगाहर्जमा र रेडियो अठराई 101.2 मेगाहर्जमा सुन्न सक्नुहुनेछ। नोटबुक, कलम, पाठ्यपुस्तक र रेकर्ड गर्न मिल्ने सामग्री तयारी अवस्थामा पक्कै राख्नु भएकै होला, होइन? यदि छैन भने तयार गर्दै गर्नुहोस् ल। आजको बसाइमा अनिवार्य अंग्रेजी विषय अन्तर्गत कक्षा 11 को मिनिङ इन्टु वर्ड्स भित्रको युनिट 2 को ग्रामरको डिसिजन एन्ड इन्टेन्सनको बारेमा चर्चा गर्नेछौँ। विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू तयार हुनुहुन्छ होइन? आजका प्रस्तुतिका झलकहरू।
Hello Mira.
Hi Raj.
What is your plan after lockdown?
I think I will go to Kathmandu.
Future plans or decisions?
विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू ढिला नगरी आजको बसाइको उठान गरिहालौँ। प्रस्तुति सहित आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ युवराज गौतम। ल त अब कक्षा कोठामै प्रवेश गरौँ, हुन्छ होइन?
Hi everyone, it's me Yuvraj Gautam. Today I am present here to facilitate one of the grammar topics from the English book Meaning into Words from grade 11. Today's topic is decision and intentions, which is from unit number 2. सबै विद्यार्थीहरूलाई न्यानो स्वागत। म युवराज गौतम आज पुनः अंग्रेजी विषयलाई सहजीकरण गर्नका लागि उपस्थित भएको छु। आज म कक्षा 11 को अंग्रेजी किताब मिनिङ इन्टु वर्ड्स को एक पाठलाई सहजीकरण गर्न तपाईहरुमाझ आइसकेको छु। आजको पाठ हो डिसिजन्स एन्ड इन्टेन्सन्स, जुन एकाइ 2 बाट लिएको हो। सबै तयारी अवस्थामा हुनुहुन्छ हैन त?
छौं सर।
अब ढिला नगरी आजको पाठ सुरु गरौँ है त। Now let's start our lesson. But before starting the lesson, listen a conversation between two people and try to find out the sentences which denotes further plans or decisions. अब पाठ सुरु गरौँ है। तर त्यो भन्दा अगाडि 2 जना बीचको संवाद सुनौ है त र त्यो संवादबाट कसैको भावी योजना बताउने वाक्यहरूलाई विचार गर है त। हेलो मीरा।
Hi Raj.
What is your plan after lockdown?
I think I will go to Kathmandu to visit my uncle.
Oh, then your visit will be great.
And what about yours?
I don't think I will go to visit any places, but I think I will start gym. I am getting fat.
That's great idea. I am getting late. See you soon.
Okay, see you. Now, dear students, did you point out such sentences which tell us about the future plans or decisions? विद्यार्थीहरू, के यो संवादबाट भावी निर्णय वा योजनाहरू केही याद गर्यौ त?
Yes sir, I have noticed some.
Could you please tell me those?
Yes, sir. First, I think I will go to Kathmandu to visit my uncle. I think I will start gym.
Any other sentences? अरू केही?
I can't find, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That means you found two such sentences. The first is, I think I will go to Kathmandu to visit my uncle. And the second is, I think I will start gym. Yes, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is another also. त्यहाँ अर्को पनि छ. And that is, I don't think I will go to visit any places. Now, listen carefully and copy down these sentences on your notebook. अब ध्यान दिएर सुन है त र आफ्नो कपीमा पनि सार है यी वाक्यहरू.
Yes, sir.
सबै तयारी अवस्थामा छौ हैन त? ल सुरु गरौँ है त अब. फर्स्ट सेन्टेन्स, I think I will go to Kathmandu to visit my uncle. Second sentence, I think I will start gym. And the third sentence, I don't think I will go to visit any places. Now, look at these sentences. They are in the same pattern. Now, can you write the pattern or structures used in the sentences? ल हेर त ती वाक्यहरू एकै किसिमका छन्. तिनीहरूको वाक्य संरचनालाई ध्यानपूर्वक हेरेर लेख्न प्रयास गरौँ है त.
हुन्छ सर, म प्रयास गर्नेछु. I think I will plus verb 1. Sir, in number 1 and 2 there is same, but number 3 there is use of don't. So I'm a little bit confused.
Good question. But don't worry. The pattern is same, but there is the negative structure, which shows that someone is not planning to do that. So we use negative structure, and the structure is I don't think I will plus first form of verb. नंबर 3 को वाक्य एक नकारात्मक वाक्य वा योजना हो जसको अर्थ मलाई लाग्दैन कि म यसो गर्नेछु भन्ने लाग्छ. अब बुझ्यौ हैन त?
बुझे सर.
Then can you make some few sentences in the same pattern? त्यसो भए यस्तै संरचनाको प्रयोग गरी अरु केही वाक्य बनाउन सक्छौ त?
Yes sir, I will try.
No problem. I will help you. Now, let's start. I think I will.
Go to swimming.
Good. Now, tell me yourself.
Okay, sir.
Now tell.
I think I will read a storybook.
Next.
I think I will cook food.
Now let's practice the negative. I don't think.
I will go to bed.
Next.
I don't think I will play football.
Can you tell more?
I don't think I will go to school.
Good. You did well. Now you can decide the plans, can't you?
Yes, I can.
Now let's practice other. But let's practice differently. अब अरू अभ्यास गरौँ तर फरक तरिकाले गरौँ है त।
Sir, I think I will learn new things today.
Yes, you are going to learn the new thing. And you are good. You are using the same structure. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's practice giving or adding the reasons on the decision you have made earlier. अब अघि माथि बनाइएका योजनाहरू जुन तिमीहरूले बनाएका थियौ तिनीहरूलाई कारण पनि थपेर अभ्यास गर्नुपर्छ है त।
Okay, sir.
Then listen. The first sentence was, I think I will go to swimming. And write that, okay? Write the sentence. I think I will go to swimming. But why? Why do you want to go swimming?
It is hot today.
Good. Now add the reason after the first sentence. अब यो वाक्यलाई सुरुको वाक्य पछाडि लगेर जोड। जस्तै यस्तो हुन्छ, I think I will go to swimming. Full stop. It is hot today. यसरी हामीले डिसिजनको पछाडि रिजन जोड्यौं। यसको मतलब अगाडिको पार्ट डिसिजन हो, I think I will go to swimming यो डिसिजन हो भने it is hot today यो रिजन हो। परीक्षामा पनि यसरी नै सोधिने गरिन्छ। परीक्षामा विशेष गरी दुई किसिमका प्रश्नहरू सोध्ने गरिन्छ। जस्तै एड अ रिजन जुन अहिले हामीले एड गर्यौं र एड अ डिसिजन हामी एकछिनमा अभ्यास गर्नेछौं। अघि हामीले एड अ रिजन या रिजन एड गर्ने अभ्यास गर्यौं। अब बाँकीमा पनि त्यसरी नै अभ्यास गरौँ है त। त्यसपछि हामी परीक्षाकै नमुनालाई अभ्यास गर्छौं है।
हुन्छ सर।
Then listen and write the second sentence. I think I will read a storybook. I think I will read a storybook. Now give a reason. अब यसको कारण देऊ त।
I love stories.
Good. I love stories. अब यो रिजनलाई त्यो सेन्टेन्सको पछाडि लगेर जोडिदेऊ। Now let's practice more. I think I will cook food.
My mother is not at home.
हामीहरू अघिकै वाक्यहरूमा अभ्यास गर्दैछौँ. Now the next. I don't think I will go to bed.
I have a lot of work.
Similarly, the next sentence, a decision. I don't think I will play football.
It is raining.
At the last one, I don't think I will go to school.
I am sick.
Good reasons. Now, listen the next important thing. We can replace the structure using the other patrons. अब ध्यान दिएर सुन है त म केही महत्त्वपूर्ण कुराहरू भन्दैछु. I think I will र त्यसै गरी I don't think I will लाई हामी रिप्लेस गर्न सक्छौं या त्यसको सट्टामा अरू पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौं. Now write down in your copy. यसलाई कपी गर्नुहोस् है त. Maybe I will plus verb 1 and perhaps I will plus verb 1 for positive decisions. Maybe I will plus verb 1 र perhaps I will plus verb 1 लाई सकारात्मक निर्णयको लागि प्रयोग गरिन्छ. जस्तै maybe I will go to swimming. It is hot today. त्यसै गरी perhaps I will cook food. My mother is not at home. Similarly, for negative decisions, त्यसै गरी नकारात्मक निर्णयको लागि हामीहरू यी प्याट्रन्स प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौं. ध्यान दिएर सुन्दै आफ्नो कपीमा लेख्दै गर्नुहोस् है. Maybe I won't plus first form of verb वा V1. त्यसै गरी perhaps I won't plus verb 1. Now listen the example. अब example सुन्नुहोस्. Maybe I won't WONT won't go to bed. I have a lot of work. त्यो चाहिँ reason भयो. Similarly, perhaps I won't play football. It is raining. यसरी हामीहरू अर्कै संरचना प्रयोग गरेर पनि लेख्न सक्छौं. Now, less practice is asked in the examination. अब परीक्षामा सोधिए जस्तै प्रश्नहरूमा हामी अभ्यास गरौँ है त. In exam, phrases are given like this. परीक्षामा यस्तो फ्रेजहरू दिएको हुन्छ. ध्यान दिएर सुनेर आफ्नो कपीमा टिप्पणी गर्नुहोस् है त. To cook food. Similarly, next, to go gym. Not to go for a walk. Not to go for a walk. WALK, walk, etc. But same structure is followed it. तर संरचना एकै खालको अघि हामीले पढे जस्तै फलो गर्नु पर्छ. Do you remember the pattern or structure?
Yes, sir.
Then please tell the structures.
I think I will plus verb 1. Maybe I will plus verb 1. Perhaps I will plus verb 1 for positive decisions.
And can you tell for the negative decisions?
Yes, sir. I don't think I will plus verb 1. Maybe I won't plus verb 1 and perhaps I won't plus verb 1 for negative. Sir, to cook food मा भएको टुलाई चाहिँ के गर्ने होला?
That's good question. त्यो फ्रेजमा भएको टुलाई हटाउने र अन्य प्रयोग गर्ने बुझ्यौ?
बुझे सर.
ल त्यसो भए अभ्यास गर न त. टु कुक फुडको के हुन्छ होला त?
To cook food को I think I will cook food.
And reason?
I think I will cook food. My mother is not at home.
Good. Now next, what is the next question? That is to go to gym.
Perhaps I will go to gym. I am getting fat.
And the last one, not to go for a walk.
Maybe I won't go for a walk. I'm tired.
Good, you did well. Now let's practice to add decision. अघि हामीहरूले डिसिजन पछाडि रिजन एड गर्यौं. अब रिजन दिएको हुन्छ र त्यसमा डिसिजन एड गर्न अभ्यास गरौँ है त. अब डिसिजन वा योजना थप्न सिकौं है त. यो त साह्रै सजिलो छ. अघि हामीले डिसिजनमा रिजन एड गर्यौं. अब त्यसको ठिक विपरीत रिजन दिएको हुन्छ र त्यसमा प्लान वा डिसिजन थप्ने हो. जस्तो कि अघिको एउटा वाक्य सुन है त. Perhaps I will go to gym. I am getting fat. What is the reason here? Can you tell me?
I am getting fat.
And what is the decision?
Perhaps I will go to gym.
अब सुरुमा रिजन आयो जस्तो I am getting fat भने अब त्यसको प्लान के हुन्छ होला त?
Perhaps I will go to gym हुन्छ सर.
Now let's practice some more to add decisions. Now listen. If the reason is I am a bit tired, what will you do?
I think I will go to bed early.
Good. Now let's practice more which are repeatedly asked in the exam. She seems very friendly. She seems very friendly.
I think I will make her my friend.
Next, I am very hungry today.
I don't think I will go on diet.
Similarly, next, I should try to get rid of this cough.
Maybe I will visit a physician.
Good. यसरी यस पाठबाट विशेष गरी दुई किसिमका प्रश्नहरू सोधिने गर्दछ. एउटा एड डिसिजन र अर्को एड रिजन. उदाहरणका लागि एड अ डिसिजन टु दिज रिमार्क्स. यसमा अब के गर्ने छौं भन्ने खुल्ने गरी योजना बनाउने. जस्तो I am a bit tired today. I am a bit tired today. I think I will take a rest. त्यसै गरी it is hot today. Then your decision will be I think I will go to swimming. Similarly, अब next अर्को किसिमको प्रश्न add a reason to these remarks. यसमा अब किन गर्नेछौ भन्ने खुल्ने गरी कारण लेख्ने, like to give up smoking, and the reason will be it is not good for health. Similarly, not to invite Sam to your party. You should write like this. यसरी लेख्नुपर्छ, perhaps I won't invite Sam to your party. He is not friendly. Likewise, you should write or add decisions or and reasons. Do not forget the pattern of decisions. I think I will plus first form of verb. Maybe I will plus first form of verb. Perhaps I will plus first form of verb in positive sentences. Similarly, I don't think I will plus first form of verb. Maybe I won't plus first form of verb. And perhaps I won't plus first form of verb in negative sentences or negative decisions. I think you are clear. Now it's the time for homework. अब पालो गृह कार्यको. Now write. Add a decision to these remarks. Add a decision to these remarks. Number A. She is getting much. She is getting much too thin. Similarly, next, I feel very hot. I feel very hot. Now the next, add a reason. Add a reason. Now you have to add reason for these phrases. To have a coke. To have a coke. And the next question, to learn to drive. To learn to drive. Thank you, dear students. Today, this much only. See you soon in the next program. Bye.
युवराज गौतम सरलाई धन्यवाद। कार्यक्रम कस्तो लाग्यो त? आजको बसाई सिकेमूलक बन्यो होला। कार्यक्रम सुन्दै प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा टिप्पण गर्नुभएकै होला, होइन त? प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासा अंग्रेजी सिके रेडियो कार्यक्रमको फेसबुक पेज @RADIO EDUCATION SPF को इनबक्समा र RADIO PROGRM SPF @gmail.com मा पठाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। प्रश्न तथा जिज्ञासाको समाधान सहित थप सिकाइको लागि भोलिको कार्यक्रममा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। पठन पाठनको क्रममा कुनै जिज्ञासा भए निम्न ठेगानामा सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। ठेगाना र सम्पर्क टिप्न तयार हुनुहोस् है। ह्युमेन प्र्याक्टिस फाउन्डेसन फुङलिङ नगरपालिका 4 ताप्लेजुङ। फोन नम्बर 024 461 047। हवस् त, आगामी अङ्कमा पुनः भेट हुनेछ। म अम्बिका आङबाङ बिदा हुन्छु। नमस्ते। कोरोनाबाट आफू बचाउँ, अरूलाई नै बचाउँ। धन्यवाद।